Greenfield in a race targeted by the Democrats, hoping to flip it from red to blue. Des Moines Register's Iowa poll over the weekend had Ernst leading Greenfield. Now to the Mountain Region Decision Desk and Jerry Bell.
We're still voting here less than an hour before polls close. If everything follows pre-election day polling, President Trump will take a total of 22 electoral votes out of this region, winning in Idaho, Montana, North and South Dakota, Utah, and Wyoming. Former Vice President Joe Biden in pretty good shape to take 14 electoral votes out of Colorado and New Mexico, and he would like to add 11 more from Arizona. That Arizona race very tight. Marijuana is on the ballot in 3 states, South Dakota, Montana, and Arizona. All have measures to legalize recreational use for adults. Now let's go to the Pacific Regional Decision Desk and Jason Campadonia.
Magic mushrooms may soon be legal in Oregon. A ballot initiative would legalize the drugs, but they would need to be prescribed and then used inside of a state-licensed clinic. A different ballot initiative would decriminalize small amounts of drugs and use marijuana